Excited to introduce the cordless mini screwdriver, a small but powerful solution for your home or office screwing needs. Perfect for tight spaces, it saves you time and effort. Keep watching for all the details. CreationSpace CS0603A. This compact tool is perfect for precision tasks, equipped with adjustable torque settings for versatile applications. The package includes the screwdriver, a 300 mAh lithium battery, 28 bits, toolbox, charging cable, and instructions. With a size of 142 x 20 mm, it's powered by a 300 mm lithium battery, providing electric torque of 0.15, 0.25, 0.35 N m and manual torque up to 2 N/m. Worx WX240 4V Mini Electrical Screwdriver Set. This smart cordless electric screwdriver features manual and automatic integration with free torque adjustment. With 3-speed settings, it adapts to various needs effortlessly. The slim body design allows for easy one-handed operation and a comfortable grip. Changing screwdriver bits is a breeze with the quick plug-in and out system. Illuminate your workspace with double LED lights and fear no darkness. Conveniently rechargeable via a universal mobile phone USB charger. This set also comes with a battery display. HOTO Precision Screwdriver Kit, your all-in-one solution for DIY repairs. This 25-in-1 rechargeable power screwdriver boasts magnetic bits and a compact design for on-the-go use. The electric precision screwdriver comes with a variety of bits, including slotted, Phillips, hexagon, Torx, and more, ensuring you have the right tool for any job. Weighing just 314 g, it's lightweight and easy to handle. The 355 mAh battery provides reliable power, with a quick charge time of 160-200 minutes. Miniware ES15. Crafted from durable 304 stainless steel, it's compatible with 4mm inner hexagon and 800 bits, making it perfect for various scenarios. With 470 RPM, this somatosensory intelligent screwdriver offers both electric and manual modes, providing a maximum torque of 20 kg manually and 1.6 kg electrically. Its 5 gears precise torque, anti-jamming, and LED flashlight function enhance efficiency. The large capacity 800 mAh battery ensures a 6-hour no-load operation. Ideal for electronics, gadgets, and precision maintenance, the ES15 comes with 24 S2 steel bits and is your go-to solution for any intricate task. ARROWMAX SES Max. Smart motion control torque, next-gen technology, and customizable modes make DIY projects a breeze. Withstand extreme temperatures with supercapacitors and USB-C. SES Ultra offers a budget-friendly option with dual buttons and versatile torquey modes. Enjoy extended battery life, organized storage, and dynamic charging with the magnetic stand. SES Max is smarter and more powerful than any other electrical screwdriver.